Hi students, how are you all? Hope all are you are fine, and I'm also fine. Today I'll discuss a few reactions that I gave you at the last class, and these five reactions are: number one, phosphorus pentachloride gas. Uh, if we provide heat here, we'll get phosphorus trichloride gas plus chlorine gas. This one first reaction, and second one phosphorus trichloride gas plus chlorine gas, and we'll get phosphorus pentachloride gas. And the third one, two nitrogen dinitrogen pentoxide, and we'll provide heat here, and we'll get 4 nitrogen dioxide gas plus oxygen gas. And number 4, nitrogen gas plus actually we need to take 3 mole oxygen gas, and we'll get 2 mole ammonia gas. And last one, just reverse reaction of the previous reaction. We need to provide heat here, and nitrogen plus this of course gas, we can write here gas, and hydrogen H2, and here 3. So these 5 reactions I gave in the previous class before starting the Eid vacation. So I gave homework, and few students completed this homework, and maybe few students didn't complete. So today I'll discuss the first reaction, how you'll find out Kp and Kc. What is Kp here? Kp is molar equilibrium constant in partial pressure, and Kc equilibrium constant in molar concentration. So today we'll discuss first one. So this section at initial stage, before starting the reaction, actually at that stage we didn't get any type of products. So we can write at initial stage, before starting the reaction, actually since there is no any reaction, and it didn't decompose, so we can't get any type of product. So first suppose mole of phosphorus trichloride is mole, and this is 0 mole and 0 mole, but after a certain time, it can be 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 20 seconds, the equilibrium will be established. Equilibrium, what is equilibrium stage? When the forward reaction rate and backward reaction rate both will be same, equal, then equilibrium will be established. So we can write here at equilibrium, that means reaction started and some part of the reactant have been converted into products. That means after a certain time we can get some products. So we can write here, suppose number of mole what have been gone there, this is alpha. So at equilibrium minus alpha mole is left, this one is left, or at the reactant side we can get this one. And since there is alpha of the reactant has been converted into product, so we can get here phosphorus trichloride alpha, and this is also alpha mole. Okay, so of course you need a flux to occur the reaction. So of course there is a volume of the flux. So volume, or let volume of flux equal to B liter. You can let volume of the flux is B liter. Now we will find out molar concentration. What is molar concentration? If you divide number of mole of any reactant or compound by its volume or flux's volume, then you can get molar concentration. So I can erase now this one. So molar concentration. So we can write here molar concentration of phosphorus pentachloride. So concentration, molar concentration, it denotes by using third bracket PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, equal to what? What was the volume of the flux? B. So by volume we will divide its mole. So what was it? Mole minus alpha. This is, and mole per liter. Volume is liter unit, and A minus alpha is mole, so mole per liter, because we have divided mole by liter, that's why per liter. Then similarly we can find out phosphorus trichloride volume of this. It was alpha B and mole per liter, and chlorine similarly alpha by B mole per liter. So we have found out molar concentrations for products and reactants. So we can find out now Kc. What did I tell about Kc? Kc is equilibrium constant with molar concentration. So Kc equal to, okay, earlier we have found out the equation for Kc for any type of reaction of this type of reaction. So phosphorus trichloride, concentration of phosphorus trichloride and concentration of chlorine, and these are numerator and denominator phosphorus pentachloride. Now we'll put the value of this. Already we have found the value of phosphorus trichloride. This is alpha by B, and this one alpha by B, and this one minus alpha by B. So we can get here alpha square by B square divided by minus alpha by B. So this is complex fraction. We need to convert this one into simple fraction. So this is easy, just simple math, like alpha square B into, it will be reversed, B by minus alpha. So this one B and B square, if I cut down this one B, so we can get alpha square B into A minus alpha. So Kc equal to alpha square B into minus alpha. This one is the equation for Kc for this reaction. That means dissociation of phosphorus pentachloride into phosphorus trichloride and chlorine. Of course, we will find out Kp, molar equilibrium constant in partial pressure. So next in next page or next time we will find out Kp.